to make money in bead making as a student. I got this question on my video on YouTube, so I'm answering that in day 8 series. Welcome to day 8 series of my 30 days bead business series. Let's get right into today's video. Now, how can you make money as a student in bead making? First, you can make money in bead making as a student. While as a student, you can start creating simple designs. Start small. You don't have to break the bank. Just start creating beautiful bracelets, waist beads, necklaces, and beautiful earrings. Start small. The second thing you have to do is, because you are a student, you don't have a lot of money, you are on a budget, so you just have to buy few materials. Just buy few materials and grow from there. The third is, you have to leverage on your school network. So you are a student, you have classmates, you have classmates, you have hostel mates. These people are your first market. Open your mouth and tell them that you make bracelets, you make earrings, you make necklaces, whatever thing. Even if you make beaded bag, open your mouth and tell them. They are your first customer. They will buy from you. But you have to use what? Word of mouth marketing. The fourth thing you have to do to make money as a student in bead making is you have to wear your designs proudly. If you make beaded bag, design a beaded bag for yourself, or design a beaded purse. If you make a necklace, or you make an earring, or you make a bracelet, you can design stack of bracelets and wear them. People will ask you, where did you? I love it. When they say I love it, you say I design it. Or 3 or more people ask you this, I'm sure that one person will say I love it, help me to design. Then you bargain, you will charge the person. Make sure that you understand pricing and do not undercharge, and make sure you design it beautifully well, that your classmates can also refer you to all of your classmates, or also open your mouth and talk to people. So wear your designs proudly and let people ask you how beautiful it is, and then you tell them you design it and you charge and collect your money. What you have to do is you have to market with your smartphone. You have a smartphone, just start creating beautiful videos. You can record a behind the scene of you making that bracelet, or you can record while you are packing your classmates order, or even if it is your necklace that you design for yourself, record it, the finished look. I just designed this necklace, do you want me to create something like this? Send me a message. Use your smartphone to your advantage. You can go on the TikTok and create videos. You can even create videos and title it A Day in My Life as a Student Bead Designer, and just watch how things will go from there. So you have to manage your time. If you have lectures for the week or for the whole week, you can just create 1 hour or 2 hours a day and make some beautiful designs, and even go to your classmates and tell them, design beautiful bracelets, design pearl necklace, pearl earrings. Simple earrings. I designed these earrings, simple earrings. People will buy it from you. So that way you will make money. Don't wait till you design that full bridal set. No, that is not what you need as a student. What you need as a student, simple beaded designs. Next thing you have to do, which is the last point I am going to mention, is that you have to grow from there. So as you make small money from these bead designs, from this bead business that you started in school, because while I was in school, my first customer came while I was in school. So yes, I make some few cash in school, even if it's not much, but a win is a win. I got my first customer while I was in my 400 level. That was my first customer. So I made some money before I graduated, because I learned in 400 level. So even as you get all of this money, pack all of them, all the profits together, small, save it, small. Use it to go and buy better tools, or use it to learn more designs. You can even create a training and teach other people, but make sure that you've gotten a hang of the knowledge first. You haven't learned anything that you want to go and train others. No, I do not advise that. Make sure that you have learned something and you have something to impart into those who want to do. It's even if it is 2 people that will learn from you, charge 2 people, teach them. Maybe it's 5,000 naira or 3,000, or teach them 2 designs, 3 designs, and collect your money. That way, the money you see from that your training, you will add it and go and buy more tools. That is how you make money. So I'm going to do a summary of everything I've said. If you want to make money as a student in bead making, you want to start making beaded designs, then the first thing you have to do is to start small. The second thing, you have to buy few materials to get started. The third is wear your designs. Even if you don't have anybody that are bothered from you, make a necklace for yourself. You are a human being. Design a necklace for yourself. Design a stack of bracelets. Wear 5 or 4. Wear one today. Wear another one today. Wear different designs. So people ask you, how did you get it? I designed it. One way or the other, somebody will say, please make for me, and you collect your money. Also learn pricing, and you wear your designs. Leverage on your classmates, on your classmates, or your hostel mates. These people are your first market. Open your mouth and market to them. The other thing you want to do is that if anybody is buying from you and buying more from you, you can offer group discounts or offer a discount on bulk orders. And also you can make use of your smartphone to create some simple videos on TikTok, on WhatsApp. Post on your WhatsApp status, post on Facebook that you made beads, that you made beaded designs and all, and see how customers will come one by one. You have to start small. Don't wait till you have all the money. Even if it is a little, just start, learn some designs, and begin to talk about it so you can make money. I made money. And also you have to balance your time. You can leave 1 or 2 hours to create some designs. And lastly, reinvent your profit back into your business. Use it to learn more designs, use it to buy more tools, and also gather people together. After you have gotten a hang of yourself and you understand it perfectly, then teach some few from group of people or few people or one person. Teach them some simple design. You don't have to teach them, even if it is just 2 designs. Teach them and say, I want to teach you how to make some designs. I'm teaching you only 3 designs, how to make some simple purses, and charge them some token, and you're good to go. So that way you don't have to wait till you have all the whole money in the world or all the whole capital. Just start small and grow from there. And I see you winning. If I can do it, you can. Love this video to this point, and you haven't watched my previous series on the Bead business series I'm doing this month, you are very wrong. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are wrong. If this is the first time of seeing me, my name is Olayinka, and I am the face behind Christy Beads and Accessories. I am the owner of this channel, which is Yinka Babes. I'm going to see you in my next video on this channel, and if I can do it, then you can. Tell yourself I can do it. I hope you get value for today. If you do, please don't forget to share and tag someone to watch this video. I'm going to see you in my day night series. Thank you for watching.